We have been doing the deep sigh and slow breath in order to keep the attention of the mind on the very step we are doing. And now is the time to leave that deep silent slow breath. And I said, move the mind inside the heart, singing Shantu into the cave of your heart. Shantu means the peace, and hum means I am. After saying hum, you just do nothing and check how long the mind stays there inside. It's a progressive step. The moment the mind returns to any thought and feeling, do it again, Shantu. Um, we continue with the same step, but with more clarity. Why with more clarity? So that we can deepen the practice. And do nothing. So when you are doing nothing, you are just in the field of pure awareness. Thought is coming, going okay. You have experience in the body, it's okay. Everything is okay. That takes you deeper. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. Bring the hands down and now sharing our experiences. So, how are you, Sophie?
I'm good, but I think I fell asleep.
Yeah. I didn't hear you here.
What?
I did not hear you.
Oh, you didn't. You,
Now I hear. Now I can
oh,
hear.
okay. I feel good, but I fell asleep during the meditation.
Yes, yes. It's okay. By regular practice, it goes away. How are you, Anne? Yes, yes, Sonia. Lips are moving, but we don't. I don't
Yeah,
hear you.
no. There's tone with the lips. Okay. Yeah, I had a very good meditation. I think I didn't fall asleep except maybe for half a second twice. And no, I feel good, but something these days is going on parallel.
Yeah, but they
And
are not
so
disturbing.
that I try to overcome it. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's another phrase is good because they do not disturb me. Let them be there.
that's right.
Very good. How are you, Charlie?
Hello. Good. I really enjoyed that. Um, I loved the analogy of to get to a state of enjoyment outside. It takes so many steps, and if one of them's not right, then it can spoil it all. And I love this. It's like it's just the one thing going inside. And I also love the part you said about just letting everything go. Everything's fine as it is. So I just got very deep in that. It was good. I like that.
Yes, yes. Even honey cannot make us happy all the time. So many factors. Anyhow, it's okay. That's wonderful. How are you, Mead?
I feel very happy. I feel like I've come home from somewhere where I really wanted to leave and come back to this beautiful place of
Good.
being and just being here.
Very good. Yes,
Hmm.
that's an excellent. So, any question? That is all for today. We'll meet next week. Thank you. Thank you all.
You
Thank you.